upgraded Titan speaker man. Skibidi toilet just keeps going. So many different types of creatures in this. I'm at a landscape page. Pencil, eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Probably need a ruler. Lots of boxes, right? We're going to start with the box in the middle. Let's go. Straight line. Just across. Douche. Like that. And then it comes down this way. Okay. Bring it across the sides. You could draw it without a ruler, but it just takes longer. So then we'll get all the speakers done and his shoulders, and then we'll add all the circles, right? So we got a speaker coming up the middle here. So 2 lines coming up like so. Join them together on top, like that. Now we have 2 speakers in behind that going like diagonal, right? So one here, so slightly slanted, going off to the side. Another one on this side, going that way. And you want to bring it across here, and then down in behind that one. Same on this side. Across, and we want to go down in behind this one, like there. Okay, you want to make them a little bit 3-dimensional, so you just add a little diagonal line coming off them there, see that? And then you bring that down in behind. Okay, so 2 more bigger speakers. So one, say real big, right? So the top of it's like up here, taller than the rest. All right, and then this will go down behind his shoulders, right? Which are down here somewhere. Like that, right? So you'll have a shoulder here, which eventually goes down to his arm. Another speaker on this side, big. Boom, 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 boom. Yep. All the way down like that. And again, another shoulder here, just a curved line going down there. Now, so this speaker man has like these metal spikes on his shoulders. Okay, easiest way to do these. So we'll go, yeah, they're kind of like just so flat top, and then like bumps kind of down like this, lots of angles and stuff. Okay, goes in behind there, and then it comes out, and it's like teeth or something. Is it teeth? I don't know. Like that, and then it's joined to the edge of these speakers with pipes or something here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, and then this speaker will go in behind that one. So you go 3D again. So you go diagonal, and then it just goes in behind like that. Do the same thing over here. So you got this piece of metal. All these spikes, and then bars connecting it over. Okay, and you want to make this speaker a little bit 3-dimensional like that. And then these guys have those metal bars over this side as well. Is it like is it 3D? I don't know. I'm gonna make it kind of give it an angle, like an edge line just coming down this way. Right, just kind of make it look a little bit three-dimensional. Yeah, that looks better. And then this piece of metal on this side, same thing again, just sort of bigger. Okay. Same on this side, just mirror image, adding the sort of teeth or ridges or whatever it is. Like that. And then pipe coming across. The way it connects together. Here, I think there's another one here at the bottom. Like so. So his arms then sort of come down this way. Down like that. And it's all bumpy because his like shirt has fabric, you know. There's like a shirt line here. Then his bicep and forearm comes down that way. You could have like some fold lines and stuff on the sleeve. And you do the same thing basically over here. Okay, and his body like comes into his waistband just down here. And he's got a belt. Comes across down the sides. Like so. And it's like a silver belt here. Like a buckle. 2. And then his waist goes off that way. Maybe 2 more speakers in here and like a big, what would you call it? Like a laser or something. So let's start with this. So it's like a big circle, right? If you've a compass or like a disc or like a cup, something circular to draw around that's the right shape, feel free to use it. You don't have to though. We can just go sketch it out. Right, trying to get it as circular as you can. Like that, right? And then you just clean it up a bit. Okay. Another circle inside, glowing yellow. So you just go around again. Like so. And maybe just to make it look a bit metal, I'll give it an edge coming around here. Just a broken sort of edge line, like that little trick. To make a mechanical object look a bit more robotic, you just add little edge lines like that. So we have another speaker, 2 of them on either side, right? One here. Down, down. So I have questions about Skibidi toilet. What is it? I saw one video and it's just like these battles. Is that all it is? It's just these crazy fights with like these creatures. Right. 2 boxes. Is that what it is? Let me know in the comments because I'm like, I don't have time to watch like all of it. It just looks crazy anyway. And then diagonal line there. I just have questions. These seem to like curve on his chest down that way. And then he's got like a line on his clothing here. like a connection or like a zipper or something. So then we'll do all the speakers now. Excuse me. Yeah, so basically like circles within circles within circles. All right, let's just go for it. So like a circle here. Circle here. This has like a box. The circle in the middle, and then it like goes these diagonal corner lines like that. And we just keep going for it. So like circle up here. Seems to be red, am I right? Or blue? It's red or blue. So another box here. Circle inside. Like that. And then circle. 2. And a third one that's kind of in behind here. It looks like hidden. Kind of like traffic lights. 1, 2, 3. Right, there's 2 on this one. I think these are just black. And then up here, 1, 2, 3. I think this has like speakers inside. Oh yeah, top one as well. For the textures and stuff. Right, so I forgot the bars on this, actually, this piece of metal. Right, that kind of a thing. And then he has, is it a jetpack? Looks like a jetpack. All right, so like just in behind his shoulders here. Okay, and then this side. These are like the engine parts of the jetpack. Okay, and then he has these weapons on his arms, and they're complicated. Try and simplify them. So there's like this V part here, and then this comes like down like that, and then there's like all these arms. No, there's like lines like pipes and stuff. And there's like an engine or something in here with these swirly lines on it. Like texture lines and stuff. And there's like a handle. It's a complicated dude. Handle here. Well, like a piece of metal. I'm not sure if it's a handle or anything. And then there's like metal on the outside. Down that way. And we'll do something like that over here. So we'll start with this V sort of thing. It like disappears in behind him a bit more on this side. It goes down like that. And then like the wavy engine. More lines there, and then a handle going out from behind like that, and then something else sticking off here. Like so. Boom, boom. Energy. Let's give him some energy. Some like lightning just coming out from it. Okay, I think that's everything. That's how to draw upgraded Titan Speaker Man. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.